NXP's vision for mobile applications on public transport is that it can increase the ridership. So for a very simple reason, because it makes it easy, fast and comfortable to access public transport regardless where you are in the world. The thing is that NFC-enabled mobile devices, they can unify a lot of things together to make this happen. So it's the first point, it's routing. So if you show up somewhere and you have no clue how to reach your hotel, how to get to a sightseeing spot, this could help. So because with all this GPS, with Wi-Fi and so on, you can find the route and as well the means of public transport to use. Second thing, which is very important, once you know what to use and how to go there, to purchase the ticket for your travel. And this ticket you can immediately purchase, so you can select with which means of payment you redeem or you go for your ticket. So that could be credit card, could be PayPal, whatsoever. Thirdly, not to forget then, is a really important thing is to have real-time passenger information. So things change. Trains break down, it could happen that the platform changes and maybe you need to react very quickly. So your mobile can be in a visual means, tell you how this changes. And by the way, this is already happening for airlines, so they tell you if a gate changed, for example. Yeah? There's a fourth point, needless to say, so it's in the same way as we are used already today, so like with the Oyster card, to use it like a contactless ticket to really validate it, to go through the gate then. The MyFair for Mobile Industry Group, which is a group of major players in the NFC ecosystem, is working together and has released currently the specifications 2.0. And it's all about taking whatever is currently possible as application on MyFair contactless cards to make it available as well on mobile devices. As such, what we do see is that MyFair for Mobile will help rolling out services on mobile applications because on the one hand, it unifies the language, so everybody is talking the same language in the ecosystem to deploy tickets, to top up tickets and those things. So which means implementations on secure elements, it's the TSM, Trusted Service Managers and service providers talk the same language, which already helps a lot to make it in the ecosystem more easy to adapt the whole thing. And secondly, not to forget about the fact that actually currently 80% of contactless e-ticketing solutions are setting up on MyFair technology platform, so which makes it very easy to transform, let's say, what is currently existing on cards into mobile devices. Currently, no doubt, payments are all around. They are announced, they are driven by the banks. Next to transport, which I do see as second biggest application field next to payments, definitely physical access management is of high interest. So and when we talk about physical access management, it's about corporate access, so with the company you work, so where you're employed to get access. And it is at the second phase, it's being your home door lock. Yeah? So to be home access, so contactless door locks getting available much wider as well for private use, so it's easy to mount them and it's easy to use them and to bring the application there. While the access with corporate might be a little bit tricky because you have to follow as well policies, so you have to wear a photo ID. The door lock at home, I mean, it's in your own policy, you know, so whatever you allow is valid for that one and you just manage your keys next to your transport ticket on your mobile device. So as such, I mean, it's a really beauty. If you leave in the morning, you lock your door with your phone, you move over to use public transport with your phone. So actually, it is the device which is making up your data and accompanying you throughout the whole day. Not to forget, and I think that could be a very attractive thing, is to get all your loyalty cards in a mobile device, because I have at least currently the issue that I have a lot of loyalty cards and they're piling up in my physical wallet and making it very thick, so making it very clumsy to use. So I would hope for the future as well that all of those loyalty cards are moving over to the mobile devices. Here again, it's a little bit like with transport. So MyFair for Mobile again will bring the unified language, everybody talking the same language, to bring services as they are already in the cards to the mobile device. And as well here, the MyFair technology platform holds at 50% market share in the access management, which helps a lot as well to bring existing infrastructure over to mobile devices. There's a huge difference to mobile payment, because payment is, as the word says, about payments. And I mean, public transport is in first line not about payments. So just think about all the concessionary travels that happen every day. So we have elderly people, we have school kids, we have unemployed people. So all of them using public transport, but I think it's very unlikely that those people are holding a credit card. In addition, you must not forget that payments will only be able to happen in those transport systems who already did an upgrade to accept payment cards. If you look into mobile, it's a little bit different. So either you can use payment where payment is accepted, or you download the local application, so which is like on the contactless card to your mobile device, and you make use of it like your contactless card. So MyFair for Mobile has set the goal among the companies working on it to harmonize the specification on how we manage mobile applications today and in the future. So based on the existing infrastructure which is already deployed with MyFair contactless cards, and to bring it over there. So the players as well have set the target that they implement all those solutions, so the ecosystem is getting bigger on that one. So you will find, let's say, a lot of possibilities to choose from the ecosystem. So who is the service provider, who is the trusted service manager, who is the provider of the secure element. So as such, MyFair for Mobile will definitely help the rollout to go from contactless cards to mobile devices. So we currently see Dubai and Bangkok at the forefront of rolling out. And those can then really be local schemes being translated to local mobile device schemes. So it doesn't change in the infrastructure, which keeps, let's say, the investments very low and overlookable. And in that sense, will be easier to roll out mobile solutions.